Hello guys, I'm going to show you an interesting game between me and Hermann Foch, Foch in Germany. This is a very interesting game, guys. Why? Because I made a blunder at the start of the openings. I'll show you guys. So I played E4. This is Sicilian defense, and that one. Try to develop, and I made this one. I made this terrible mistake. I thought that would be captured. It would be captured by the rook, and then it was captured by the king. And what I do next is I try to attack that square, and yeah, capture that, and capture it with a pawn, and then there's a check, then the king moves. So what I did is I captured the rook. I captured the rook because I don't have anything to do. I have no more attack, so I captured that, then I check king, I put some pressure, and then that's it, and I attack that one. I'm already losing, but I don't lose hope. Okay, so I put the rook there, double attacking that square, and then I attack the pawn there, and he moved this bishop, and with that move I am happy because I captured the rook. He could not capture the rook by the queen because there's a mate, so he moved the queen there, and then I capture it. Oh, according to the analysis, there's I'm already winning. I don't know what's the best move for that. Guess I can salvage the I can still move the rook here, and then I could have that check. That could be the best move, guys. But what happened in the game is this. Captured it, captured, and I moved, and I put my bishop at the center, centralize, attack the pawn, move, then try to control some squares. Okay, check, 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 check. I control some key squares, check, check. Okay, and then move and push the pawn, captured it, and I guess I'm winning. Develop, and then he made a mistake there. This is because of the time pressure. He has already 3 minutes. He's able to capture, and the opponent resigns. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like. Please do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Bye bye, everyone. Guess let's okay. So to review some of the things. Bye. This is that's our rating is 1435. That is our highest rating so far for Rapid. Bye.